It's a sump pump with a water backup. So this water backup here, this float is higher than this float. So when the sump pump fails, the water will rise and trip the city water back up. And we've already connected all the drainage right into there. And right now we're connecting the water supply. So the city water will come in right into here. We're going to splice it in right back there. Looks like he's done that before. Can't stand the heat.
Right.
So there it is, the water backup. And the whole point of this is, if you're gonna spend this kind of money in your basement, and the kitchen's coming over there, why leave it exposed to a flood? So he did buy a new sump pump, but this water backup right here, basically how it works is we tap into the city water supply, and when this pump fails, then this one's just a little bit higher, and when the water pushes this float up, it turns it on. And it works just on water, city water. It doesn't use power at all. So if you lose power, sump pump stops, this turns on.